Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to break into graphic design but don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to begin learning graphic design, share essential tips, and explore some of the best tools that can help you as a beginner. Whether you're thinking of becoming a professional designer or just want to create amazing visuals for your personal projects, this guide is perfect for you. So, grab a notebook. Let's dive into it. What is graphic design? Before we jump into the practical steps, let's briefly talk about what graphic design is. At its core, graphic design is the art of communicating visually. It's the creation of designs using elements like images, typography, and colors to convey messages, tell stories, or create visual content for various media like websites, social media, print, more. It's everywhere we look, from the logos on products to the apps on our phones and even advertisements. The impact of good design is huge, and it's a skill that's highly valued in the modern world. Now, let's get into the steps to start learning graphic design. 1. Understand the basics of design. Before you dive into any tools, it's important to understand the basics of design. These are the building blocks of great graphic design. Let's go over a few key principles. Color theory. This involves understanding how colors work together. Different colors evoke different emotions, and learning how to use colors effectively can make your design stand out. Typography. Typography is the art of arranging type. Whether you're using fonts for a logo or a poster, knowing how to pair and use fonts properly is essential. Composition. This is how you arrange the elements in your design. A good composition guides the viewer's eye and makes sure everything flows nicely. Contrast and balance. Contrast helps important elements stand out, and balance ensures your design isn't too cluttered or too empty. These principles form the foundation of your work, so spend some time learning and practicing them. 2. Choose your design software. Next up, let's talk about design tools. As a beginner, it can be overwhelming to choose from so many options, but don't worry. Let's look at some of the best graphic design software for beginners. Canva. If you're just getting started and need something simple, Canva is a great tool. It's web-based, easy to use, and has plenty of templates to help you get started with designs like social media posts, presentations, and flyers. And the best part, it's free. Adobe Photoshop, a professional-level tool used by most graphic designers. It can be tricky to learn at first, but it's incredibly powerful for photo editing and digital painting. Adobe offers tutorials to help you get started. Adobe Illustrator. If you're looking to design logos or vector-based graphics, Illustrator is the best tool to learn. It allows you to create scalable images that can be resized without losing quality. Figma. If you're into UI/UX design or web design, Figma is perfect. It's a collaborative, web-based design tool so you can work on projects with others in real time. Inkscape. If you need a free alternative to Illustrator, Inkscape is great for vector graphics, and it has a solid community of users to help you get started. While these are some of the most popular design tools, start with what feels comfortable. As you get better, you can explore more advanced programs. 3. Learn from online resources. To become great at graphic design, learning from experts is key. Luckily, there are tons of resources available to help you. Here are a few places to start. YouTube tutorials. There are many amazing YouTube channels that teach graphic design for beginners. Channels like The Future, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Yes, I'm a Designer offer tips, tutorials, and inspiration to get you started. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera offer in-depth courses on graphic design. These courses usually include assignments to help you practice, and they cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Design blogs and websites. Websites like Creative Eblick, Smashing Magazine, and Design Check offer free articles and inspiration for graphic designers. They cover the latest trends, tutorials, and best practices in the industry. And don't forget to check out online communities like Reddit or Graphic Design or Design Inspiration on Instagram. These communities are great for feedback and tips from other designers. 4. Practice, practice, practice. The most important part of learning graphic design is practicing regularly. The more you design, the better you'll get. Here are some tips for practice. Start with small projects. Don't jump straight into designing a full website or branding package. Start with simple designs like creating a social media post, designing a business card, or editing a photo. Recreate designs. Pick some designs you like and try to recreate them. This helps you understand the composition and techniques behind great designs. Participate in design challenges. Websites like Dribbble and Behance offer design challenges that you can participate in. These challenges help you stay consistent and push your creativity. Work on personal projects. Create designs that excite you, whether it's for a passion project, a hobby, or a side hustle. This will help you build a portfolio and improve your skills. 5. Build a portfolio. As you start to create designs, it's important to build a portfolio. A portfolio is your visual resume, showcasing the work you've done. Use platforms like Behance or Dribbble to upload your designs. These platforms allow you to connect with other designers and potential clients. Make sure to include a variety of work, from logos to posters, website designs, and more. Even if you're just starting, showcasing your learning process and creative growth is valuable. A good portfolio can help you get freelance gigs, internships, or even full-time design positions in the future. So, those are the essential steps to start learning graphic design. It may seem overwhelming at first, but the key is to take it one step at a time. Master the basics, practice consistently, and make sure you're using the right tools for your skill level. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my future videos on graphic design, making money online, more. Thanks for watching. Happy designing.